This is a video of the BMW 118i 1.5 Sport from BCA Blackbush. Registration is Sierra Charlie 65 Golf Bravo Yankee. The AA inspection was done yesterday, but they never started the car up to confirm the misfire. They just scanned it, and he said that's fine. But as soon as you start the car, you can hear it's running rough. Let's leave that running here. Engine management light is on, drivetrain light comes on instantly, faults all over the dash, gear stick is flopping around because it's misfiring. You can hear, here's the registration, you can hear it's running rough. So today's the 23rd, I created a video yesterday, look, flashing engine management light, instant flashing engine management light. And then if we pop the bonnet, the engine has excessive vibration. If I put my hand on top, or put these keys on top, you can see the keys are rattling around. You see it's running rough. This is ridiculous.